It feels so good being back behind the camera, and I don't know if you guys noticed, but I got a new camera, and that's why I haven't been posting videos that often. It's because I bought a new camera, and you guys check us out. Look at that. I've been waiting for this for like 2 weeks. It finally came in, and it made me realize how much I really like making videos, just because like even though I haven't like posted in like 2 weeks or uploaded in 2 weeks, I feel like I had nothing to do, and this is just something I really like to do. But in today's video, we're gonna be doing a wood floor trunk setup, and you don't really even need like an air compressor or like a tank. You don't even need bags for this. If you just want a nice trunk setup, like a wood floor trunk setup, you can just watch this video and I'll show you how to do it, and it'll be below 50 bucks, 40 bucks, 30 bucks, just depending on where you get your wood planks or any of that stuff. But I'm gonna head to Home Depot with Matthew right now, and we're gonna go pick up some wood, and then I'll show you guys what to do from there. Everybody, here we are, Home Depot. Car's looking amazing. Can't wait to get the trunk set up in. Right now we're gonna go inside, and then we're going to go to the like wood flooring section, and we're gonna pick out like a flooring. I'll show you guys which one I'm gonna get at least, and we'll go from there. You know, I think we're not looking in the right place. Bro, what the? I have no clue what the hell's going on. We had the flooring, which is right here. We're gonna get some tiles. So basically, I guess the look I'm probably gonna go for is something. Everyone kind of goes like a really light color in their trunk. I think I'm gonna go for like a darker color to put in the trunk, just so it kind of looks different. Maybe in the future might do a little marble flooring in the trunk. Like, see if I put the tank here, like sag a little bit. Alright guys, probably gonna go ahead with one of these, just cause these are a little bit more like sturdy and thicker than the other ones. Like for example, like if Matthew, it's literally just straight solid, and then you go with these little thin ones here, and they're kind of just like wobbly. So if we put a tank on that and a compressor, it'll probably sag a little bit. These ones are bigger and they're more like sturdy, so we're probably gonna get these, and they are kind of like click locks, so they all lock in together. Right now we're just gonna decide on a color and which one we want, and then after the color we'll buy that. We got the two choices here between Silverton and Ghost Ship Maple, and they're right here. This is Silverton, this is Ghost Ship Maple. I think I'm gonna go with the Silverton just because it's a little bit lighter and darker, and I think it'll stand out a little bit more than the Ghost Ship Maple, so we're gonna get this one. So that's all you're gonna really need, guys. You just need your wood and your trunk flooring mat, which basically just comes from directly supplied from your trunk. So you just grab it out, and you're gonna lay your wood out, and then we're gonna outline that, and then just cut it out and just throw it in. That's about it. I don't know if you guys can see, but these planks kind of come with like these like lock clicks or whatever. So you kind of just connect them with these, and they kind of just stay together like that. Okay, now we get the sides. This one. Oh, this is nice. Okay, hopefully. Make sure they all stay. Oh yeah, that looks good. All right, now that we lined up all the boards, we need to get the floor mat underneath on top, and then we're gonna trace it out. All right, we just used some pencil here, a golf pencil, to actually outline the entire floorboard here. So now we're just gonna cut every individual piece on its own, following these lines, and we'll see how it goes from there. But yeah, we just use pencil. I guess you could use Sharpie, but I think pencil is better, just because you can actually erase it, and it's not as thick, so you can follow the line even more like precisely. So now we're gonna cut it and test fit it after that. So yeah, we're gonna use a little like power saw here. Technically you guys can just use anything you really need. You can use a regular hand saw if you need to. You can just be precise with that. One of these, anything available to you guys, even just you can get it done. It's DIY, so it doesn't really need to be perfect using exact same tools. Just whatever you can do to do it yourself. All right guys, first cuts, here we go. Safety, #1 priority, guys. There's literally wood shavings everywhere, but we finally cut all the pieces, and this is what it looks like, guys. It looks great. Look at that. So we really didn't do any sanding because that's gonna take a while. So it's gonna look really ugly around the edges, like around here, but it's whatever. It's only gonna be on the side, so no one's really gonna pay close attention to that. But just overall from the top, it looks super nice. So now we're gonna take out the tank from my trunk and drill the holes there so we can put the compressor and the tank. First things first, we gotta empty our tank of all the air. Okay, here we go. We gotta pull this right here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So the wood trunk setup is finally done. And like I said, that really only costed me $45, but it usually depends, and it will depend on where and what type of wood you get for your trunk. But as you can see here, the wood trunk setup is complete and it looks amazing. It feels nice, and I mean, it smells good too. It smells like nice wood, and it just looks super amazing. We kind of messed up, that you can see here. We kind of drilled some holes in the wrong places, but I'm gonna put like a sticker here or something, or I am gonna do a dual compressor setup eventually. So I might just put the second compressor there and it will look a lot better. But the only hard part I would say about the entire trunk setup is just cutting it. If you look very closely, a lot of the edges are just very rugged and jaggedy, as you can see, not super smooth. You could spend a lot of your time just going through and sanding that if you want, but I don't really mind, because who's really gonna be looking at my trunk super close? You guys probably saw in the video too, I had some side pieces here. I didn't put those in. I removed those just because they're kind of hard to put in, and it still looks nice without them anyways. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this DIY do-it-yourself trunk setup. It's really easy to do. I believe you guys can do it yourself too. Like I said, only hard part is just cutting it. Everything else super simple, very fun project to do. And like I said, you do not need a tank. You don't even need bags for this. If you just want a nice trunk setup in your trunk to make you stand out a little bit more, or just be a little bit different for your car, I suggest it. I think it's a very fun and nice, viable option for you. Very cheap too. So go out and have some fun with that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. If you guys like it, the color, if it looks just super nice, if it fits the car. But yeah, guys, feels great to be in front of the camera again, making videos, and this new camera is amazing. I still need to put some wind muffs on it because the wind is kind of insane, as I can tell by editing this video. But it's bearable. Hope you guys enjoyed the new cinematics, the new camera, and the new videos. A lot more videos coming out because like a new camera's here, a lot more videos. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys for all support. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, whatever. But I love you guys, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.